Types of artificial intelligence and its branches. Hey everyone, you're watching Sprintzeal channel where you'll enjoy the video and make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. What is artificial intelligence? The advent of artificial intelligence might be the most groundbreaking leap in the advancement of technology of this century. Future of artificial intelligence cannot be predicted. The possibilities are endless. The term which was often described in science fiction of the past has become a reality. We are yet to unearth the full potential of this artificial intelligence, but the first step has already been taken. Humanity is already on the path to creating the artificial intelligence depicted in science fiction, a reality. Why do you need to know about this? Is the knowledge of artificial intelligence useful for me? How can I benefit from learning about the types of AI? These questions might creep into your mind after looking at the heading of this article. Let us answer these questions one by one. How is the knowledge of AI useful for you? AI is one of the fields of technology that has witnessed tremendous growth in recent years. Scientists are yet to reach a bottleneck when it comes to the development of AI. AI is going to be the next big thing that will dominate human lives with its innumerable applications to make living easier. Knowing about it or even involving yourself in the AI industry will prove to be lucrative in the future. How can you benefit from learning about the types of AI? The types of AI we have right now might be different from what we will have in the future. It is important to know the different types of AI we currently have, as it will become the foundation of what might come in the future. Knowing the types of AI will help you choose the one you think will be useful to achieve your goals and ideals. Introduction to the classification of AI. AI has evolved since its invention, but there are many more things it can do, and we are yet to unlock its full potential. AI can boost our rate of advancement multiple times if we continue to put our resources into it. AI today has limited applications and it is restricted in terms of its development. For now, we have created two basic types of classification based on the capabilities of AI and based on its functionality. The two types of classification are mentioned ahead. Types of AI based on its capabilities. Weak or narrow AI. AI that is currently in use all around the world is weak AI. Its examples include Apple's Siri and IBM's Watson. Both are weak AIs. They are designed to do things that are predetermined by the programmers and hence cannot go beyond those limits. A few more examples include speech recognition softwares, face recognition softwares, self-driving cars, etc. General AI. AI will be a milestone achievement for our human race. The general AI would be able to perform complex tasks like decision-making and reasoning on its own, just like humans do. This implies that they would be capable of creating new things and solving complex problems. This is likely to enhance the development of technology, as they would be able to perform work with the precision of a machine and the intelligence of human beings. Super or strong AI. AI that exceeds the capabilities of human intelligence. This statement reminds us of a scene from the movie Matrix where all humans are used as a source of energy in an AI-dominated world. Even though we are making the progress, we are still far from creating a super AI like the ones presented in the movies. By that time, we might be able to come up with a way of preventing that dystopian development and be the ones utilizing them for our own purposes. Types of AI based on its functionality. Reactive machines. Such AIs are a part of weak AIs that cannot store a lot of data and can react based on the current scenario only. Google's AlphaGo is an example of such a reactive machine. Limited memory. Such type of AI can store a small amount of data in it. For example, self-driving cars can sense the speed of nearby vehicles and detect people, based on which it adjusts their own speed. Theory of mind. Such AI can understand human emotions, beliefs, and desires. This type of AI can socially interact with humans. Efforts are being made to create such AIs. We can expect it to become a reality in the future. Self-awareness. This type of AI is just a hypothetical concept. It has its own thoughts, feelings, and consciousness. It is super intelligent and can perform superhuman feats of intelligence. How can you benefit from learning the techniques and processes of AI? Techniques and processes that involve AI are being used to solve real-life problems. Getting a grasp of what it is about and how the scientists are further developing it can give you a good picture of what its future might look like. It is a great opportunity for those who are going to become professionals in the future to learn about AI, as it will spread throughout the world and all industries would rely on it at some level. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel for such more videos and do not forget to press the bell icon.